Morning. So we are still working on some fourth grade math here. Teak, we're working on this 4.4E. This is division with whole numbers. So this problem says Mr. Jones used boards to build a treehouse, and he used 4 nails per board, and he used a total of 124 nails. They want to know 3 things. They want to use an array to actually represent this thing. They want you to write an equation, and then they want you to actually solve the equation and say how many boards does Mr. Jones use to build a tree, or build the tree house anyway. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to do the array because I'm not 100% sure on what that looks like. I have an idea, but I'm not going to do it in this video. I'll do another video about arrays, using those with division. But what I am going to do is we're going to write the equation. That equation is 124 because that's the total nails. And then they want to know how many are used to build this treehouse, how many boards anyway. There's 4 nails on each board, and then we used 124 nails. So we have to divide that 124 nails up by 4 because we're grouping them by 4 because we're putting 4 on each board. So we're going to look at our 4s on the multiplication chart. And this we're going to use partial quotient to actually solve this. So you set it up like a regular division problem. Look at your 4 though. We're going to go all the way down to the end. 4 times 12, that's the biggest one we see. That's 48. So 4 times 12 is 48. That can chop down our quotient. We know that 12 4s will give us 48. So we're going to do our subtraction to see how many nails we're left over with. What this has told us is if we use 12 boards, that's going to be 48 nails. So we'll do another 12 boards, another 48 nails. We're going to take that subtraction. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see it a little better. Again, we're taking these by the groups that we groups of nails. So 12 is what we're working with now because that's the biggest number we see. When you get better with your multiplication, you can use larger numbers. So now 28, that's too big. Too small for us to use 48. So look at our thing. 4 times 7 is 28. So good deal. So we can do 4 times 7, 28. That's going to leave us with 0 of those nails left. Now we add up all of our partial quotients and we get 21. So there's 21 boards we're going to use to build this treehouse. That's how we did that. Again, I know it takes some time, but use your multiplication chart to find those partial quotients, and it can really help you out.